Hello, it's Mary from Pintos Automotive Diagnostics Pro. Today we have this 2001 Chevy Silverado 1500, and we have a feature snowplow. But we are redoing the wire net, the headlights, turn signal, all new light, because when the snowplow is set on the truck, we cannot see with the regular lights, so we have to switch the regular lights, which will be these two right here, regular lights. We have to turn off this regular light, and we'll turn on these snowplow lights. This the headlight here is with three connector, one ground, low beam and high beam. Both the same, on the both sides. The turn signal and tail light on the corner this will be on the snowplow, but this one are the regular headlight, low beam and high beam, To do this system work, we have to know that when we switch this switch, we move the switch to the on position, right? We'll send power and ground to the low beam and power to the high beam. But when you push this thing right here, and put the high beam, so we'll send power and ground to the high beam, and the low beam will be to power. So that is the way how this Chevrolet works. So how can we do that thing work? The first thing to let you know is that this system will use a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relays, right? Most of them are 5 plug, right? A couple is 4, but most is a 5. I draw here, a 5 plug, but I can use a 5 plug like a 4 plug regular. So the thing right here, the power from low beam is sending to the 85 terminal on the relay 1 and 3 and low beam headlight. So when we have that right here, the low beam right here, power and ground. When we turn on the switch, we'll send power and ground, but power will be sent to the relays 1 and 3. Example right here, 1, relay 1 and relay 3. When the switch is on, low beam will send power to these two relays, but at the same time will send power to the regular low beam headlights, right? Ground, how grounds work? Right here we have a ground. When the low beam is set, we'll send ground. Both ground has to be connected, right and left. So we'll send ground to the relay 6, right, through the terminal 30, but we'll send the ground through the terminal 87.8, which one, this one right here, ground right here, and the ground will be, moved to the 87.8 terminal. So the ground will be right here. We'll send the ground, through this 87.8, and this ground will be for the regular low beam headlights, right? So what is the thing right here? When this coil is excited, this ground will be removed from the terminal 87.8 and will send the ground to the terminal 87. So when this will have power and ground, okay, this ground will be sent to the 87, and this ground will run, through the relay 3, right, sending ground to the relay 3. This relay 3 will get power from where? You see, the relay 3 will be connected the 85 terminal. This one right here will send, this connection to the 85 on the relay 1. and the 85 to relay 1, the same wire will run through the low beam headlight. So the headlight switch will send the positive or power to the relay number 1. At the same time, relay number 3. So when the number 3 has ground, from this one right here, we'll send the power from the 30 to 87. This power will be sending to the snowplow lights, low beam. All right. How can be this possible? Because the relay 3 on the terminal 30, this one right here, is connected with a fuse from the battery. They have a straight power battery, a straight power, positive power from the battery. Positive the battery send power through the fuse, and then to the terminal 30 relay 3 and the terminal 30 relay 4. Right, relay 3 and relay 4 will receive power from the battery, from the fuse. Okay, so with this power right here, it has has to send that power through the lights. So when they receive positive and negative from the relay 6, from this one, and positive from the low beam switch. So we trigger the relay 3, and the power from the battery will run through this area right here and then send the power through this 87 terminal to the snowplow lights. Right, this one will be for the high beam, but this one will be the other one. The relay number 1 will send the power to the low beam. All right, so relay 1 will send power to the low beam, and the relay 3 will send the power to the high beam. So this is a small draw. It's hard to understand, but when there is a trouble, we have to take time and do whatever is necessary to do to let these snowplow lights work. I hope you can find some information, and I hope will help somebody, just in case you need it. So this is a 2001 Chevy 1500 with Fisher snowplow light system. All right, thank you for watching Automotive Diagnostic Pro, and let us know we are ready to push out that snow. Right, thank you for watching Automotive Diagnostic Pro. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.